Hi and welcome to Travels with the Russells. Well, today Julie and I are going home from our Asian cruise. So we're going to go through Mumbai Airport. So we thought we'd take you along with us. Let's see what the security's like, what it's like inside, what facilities there are, and come and tag along. Let's see. If you're travelling from Mumbai, you don't want to miss this.
Well, it's not
See you in a minute.
a fun-loving pair. In their 60s, they don't have a care. Retired from the hustle, now they're roam free. Cruising the oceans, oh, can't you see?
So before you actually get inside the airport, you have to show your passport, your QR code and your tickets.
It's not right time.
And you've got to be here no sooner than 4 hours before your flight. If you come 5 hours before your flight, they won't let you into the airport at all. Okay, so once you're in, then it's the standard find a check-in. We're with Emirates, so Emirates is over there, so we'll head over there and go and get our bags weighed in. So we've joined the queue for the bag drop. It's not a huge queue, but there doesn't seem to be that many gates open, surprisingly for Emirates, but it is only early. It is 4 hours from the flight, so let's see what the rest of it's like getting through. So far it's not been bad at all, and it is a very nice airport. Bit blingy. A bit blingy. There is self-check-in and self-weigh-in for some airlines, as you can see. That doesn't appear there's one for Emirates. Anyway, bags dropped, tickets out printed now, proper tickets. Don't have to worry about your phone. We're going to go through to immigration and security now. So let's go give that a try. So you scan your ticket to get through the gates, and now the old baggage search, body scanners and all that nonsense. So we'll go through that. So once you've had your bag searched, and of course mine was searched and sellotape was confiscated as an illegal item.
Yeah.
A roll of sellotape. Anyway, I had my sellotape confiscated. It of course frisked, body scanned, all the nonsense. And then, well, it's not nonsense, it's safety precaution I suppose. And then again you go through with your boarding pass and then through to this bit of a queue here. This horrendous queue for passport control, check your QR codes, stamp you out, all that rigmarole. So yes, it's pretty busy. So although they do have quite a lot of immigration officers stamping you out on your passports, it is a very slow and long-winded process. But when I say slow, long-winded, it actually takes about 3 minutes once you get to the head of the queue.
Yeah.
So, but the queues are horrendous, so it's just volume of people. Of course, straight into the duty free. Now, I'm not going to bore you to tears by showing you everything in the duty free, but I will just give you some approximate prices. So that's 5,460 rupees for a twin pack of Black Label whiskey, and that's about $50. So not too bad, I suppose. Have a look. Another example: bottle of Baileys, litre bottle of Baileys, 3,190 rupees, about $30, about £25, I guess. About £25. So it's twice as expensive as it is in the UK, maybe ish. Because normally it's for Christmas, a litre is about £12, mugged up there. Anyway, I didn't buy anything. 13,500, so £135 for a bottle of Versace. In Malaysia, it was about $48. I don't know how much it costs normally. I don't think 130 quid sounds particularly cheap. Yeah, once you get through all the madness, it's actually quite a nice, spacious, big airport stroke shopping centre. Show you the food court in a minute. Look. No, Burger King. So departures at Mumbai, pretty good. Spacious area, air conditioned. An annoying whistling noise, I don't know what that is. Yeah. It would appear that cigarettes are very, very cheap. So again, Rothman's £15, about 15 quid for 200, or £1.50 I think. Anyway, I don't smoke, so I'll let you work it out. But there's your prices. Look it up. People often ask me, oh, how much is tobacco? I go, I don't know. Well, this is about £40 for 5 times 50 gram pouches. I don't know. All the booze is about $25, about £20 ish, depending on today's exchange rate. So there you go. Juke's about $30, about £25 a bottle. So there you go. Let's go see what else there is. As you can see, we're in the food court. Some local brands and then the American brands, KFC, Pizza Hut, Subway, that kind of stuff. Alcohol is available. So there is a transit hotel if you are on a layover for any time. And a garden, so it's good to have a look at the garden. A bit quieter up at this end. Much quieter up here. So we found the Mackie D's. Again, not very busy. Let's have a look. £2 for a coffee, cappuccino, drink, so that's not too bad, I suppose. If that's all you want. Found the cafe. Electronic ordering system like everywhere these days. And prices if you're interested. Different business lounges. There's an escalator, I don't know where that actually goes, it's not mirrors. Strange. So the flight to Dubai goes from gate 78 and evidently on time, so we'll show you the boarding gate when we get up there, and then that's our vlog of the Mumbai Airport, or Mumbai International Airport, which is a nice airport, very spacious, air conditioned, plenty of shops, things to look at. Yep, it's alright. Been in a lot worse. So we're not going down to 78. Oh well. An airport of multiple levels. Yep, more shops, restaurants, cafes and facilities. And we're not there yet. Keep going, you fools. Keep going. Didn't realise it was this big. Oh, see ya. Oh well, we've made it. So there's actually plenty up here as well. So there we go. Bang on 9 o'clock for boarding, as they said. So started boarding. Excellent. So there we go. Our brief, quick trip round Mumbai International Airport. If it's been any use to you, thanks ever so much for watching. If you'd like to leave a comment, please just leave them below. And if you've got any other questions or comments, we'll be happy to answer them. As usual, If this video has been of any use to you, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Well, the sun's arising in the morning light, grabbing our bags, we're ready for a flight. Got the map laid out on where will we go. Cyprus calls our names, it's the place we love so. From the UK skies to the Mediterranean blue, we share